Hey, how are you?
Hey, Xavier. Thanks for coming back. Let me show you a new car, the CX-70, loaded with a lot of safety features, and it's all-wheel drive. Also, it is a hybrid, so it's amazing on gas as well. The trunk is very spacious. If you like to travel, put a lot of stuff in there. It's very spacious for you. This is the best way to buy a car. This is your money down, the price of the car. I just need you to sign here, and congratulations.